A popular returning feature is our voice assistants and motivation callouts. To access them, go to your settings menu, hit voice assistants and motivations. From here, you can customize your voice assistants to your liking. For instance, you can have your voice assistants be called out every 0.25 miles, 0.5 miles, 0.75 miles, 1 mile, or 5 miles. Please note that 1 mile is the default and can be changed from this menu. You can also turn off and on certain callouts such as distance, duration, pace, and calories. Simply toggle them on and off to your liking. With them turned on, simply launch a free walk or a challenge walk to enjoy your new callouts. Here's an example of callouts being used at 0.25 miles.
Keep it going. 5 minutes, 37 seconds elapsed. You have walked 0.25 miles. Your pace is 22 minutes, 20 seconds per mile. You have burned about 29 calories.